Just go and watch Bobby Castro interview, from broke and dyslexic to $1 billion business and 300 millions in 3 million $100 million
Mm-hmm.
in real estate on the channel Umar Alater and the Passionate Few. So this is the channel, and
Okay.
the interview name is Bobby Castro. It's phenomenal,
Okay.
phenomenal interview. And this channel has a lot of real estate videos only,
Mm-hmm.
so you can check out a lot of videos. And that's a view. Now, the resource, coming back to the resource, bhai, the one big resource that I have seen is my inner self.
Mm-hmm.
Again, I know that courses and paid thing is important,
Mm-hmm.
but I have seen that I can be more creativity than following a template.
Right.
I'm a man who likes to do a lot of like test order stuff. But
Mm-hmm.
again, I'm at a point where if I lose right now 2 lakh rupees on something by testing, I'm
Mm-hmm.
not crying for it. I won't. If I lose it today, I may be remembering and would be feeling a loss for the next 1 week. But after that, I know that I can make that money back.
Mm-hmm.
Someone who's starting, it's not good to test like me, that the blatant way me and Srijan Bhai test,
Mm-hmm.
that he did testing with this crypto coins and all. So
Right.
you cannot do that. So first of all, know that what's your capacity to handle pressure. That's one thing. And I'm not getting a specific word, but
Mm-hmm.
uh, also know that at what revenue, or at what money you would break down.
Mm-hmm.
That इसके बाद तो नहीं कर सकते. Like for
Risk,
me, I
risk
know,
aversion and mitigation, basically.
yeah. So you should know that
Mm.
an example is that you know that you won't be profitable if you sell something at 900 rupees and the product cost is 1500. I'm not talking in like course sort of value, but
Physical
let's say a
products.
product.
Mm.
So you should know that if you're even selling for 900 rupees, you won't be profitable for a 1500 rupees
Mm.
product.
Mm.
So you should know that upper end, the limit, your limit.
Mm.
Anything you do below that limit is a
Mm-hmm.
happy game. So initially you should know this. That's the one thing. Secondly, the best thing or the best resource is to learn from people who have already done it. Third biggest thing is, it's not a takeaway, but it's an advice that today, in these days, I'm talking to a lot of people and sharing it, is don't fall in MLM based network marketing scam.
Mm-hmm.
A big advice. There's nothing passive. We had a long discussion over it. There's nothing passive. Work somewhere, develop some skills, because आज आप पैसिव कर रहे हो, कल 100 लोग वो पैसिव करेंगे. It becomes hard for you to get customer.
Mm-hmm.
Have some skills. People pay for skills, not for dreams. People pay it. We don't say that people don't pay it, but
Mm-hmm.
it's not to that accent. So that's one thing. That's third thing from my end. The real tangible source that I can talk about, Pi, is using this software called as Feedly.
Which
Okay,
one?
Feedly,
Yeah,
F
yeah, yeah.
double E
I've
D
heard
L
of
Y.
it. Right.
So I can recommend you. You watch this blog, watch this blog, watch this YouTube channel, watch this podcast, and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
But the only way to get all these things at one place is go to Feedly
Mm-hmm.
and follow the places that you would like to learn from. Like there are, they call it spaces. So follow the spaces that you need to know an idea about.
Mm-hmm.
All the spaces refresh after every 12 hours and 24 hours. So within a click of a button, if you love, let's say, cryptocurrencies, you
Mm-hmm.
can follow the cryptocurrency space. Today you follow, and within 15 to 20 hours, you'll see there would be hundreds of blogs popping up on your Feedly account.
Mm.
So rather than picking up, okay, I should read this, I should watch this, dedicatedly एक जगह को देखना, या it's not recommended to watch one YouTube channel with your whole heart, or it's not recommended for you to watch one YouTube video with your whole heart, or things like that. I cannot recommend you this. Go this course and this would get you all the success. I have learned a lot from blogs and YouTube videos. So Feedly helps you to get this both and one place. Follow 3 to 4 maximum spaces and you'll get good success. यार मतलब मैं follow करता हूँ and I read a lot of blogs there.
Mm.
And somewhere I see is people nowadays promote very good content in blogs rather than those courses,
Right.
because they they don't need to convince a customer. First of all, they need to convince Google,
Right.
and Google is more smart than normal person.
Mm.
So that's how I think it in my perspective, that courses से
Mm.
ज़्यादा शायद लोग blogs में content डालते. Not everyone again. There are people like Rahul Bhaiya.
Mm-hmm.
बहुत ज़्यादा he puts a lot of knowledge in course. Saurabh bhai. So there are some exceptions, and we both तो हम ही हैं ही. So
Absolutely.
yeah, so Feedly is very good recommendation from my end, but follow limited spaces. Oh, don't like overclutter your mind. Follow limited spaces.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I've noted these down as well. I'll put the links. And one thing I would add there is they were like, I believe in repetitions and iterations. So, for example, if you go to a gym and आज आपने shoulders मारे and पूरा महीना shoulders दोबारा नहीं करे, so it's not going to help. Similarly, if you find one great book, I this learned from Simran, like Pal, uh, कि he had the same philosophy that he is reading just one book, never split the difference again and again, जब तक it does not become a part of him. So that's
Uh,
what I believe. If you find a good book, number one, write down your action steps or any resource like any YouTube interview, podcast, blog. Write down your action steps. Don't take notes. Write down your action steps because notes like a mental fapping हो जाती है कि बहुत सीखा but validation कुछ नहीं मिला. And secondly, keep iterating it. So abhi there was this time when I had COVID. In 17 days, I read 12 books and I reread 3 books. So total 15 reads. After that, for a month, I did not do anything else. I just kept on taking my action steps and implementing them. Most of the books were around these topics, like not entirely marketing, but operations, systems, and all of these things. तो उनके आइटरेशन और बार बार नई नई चीजें निकल कर आ रही हैं एंड लाइक यू वर सेइंग दैट यूएस का सिस्टम यूएस में चलता है इंडिया में लाओ तो यू लर्न फ्रॉम योर ओन एक्सपीरियंस सिमिलरली यूएस में जो सीखा वो यहाँ पे अप्लाई करा बाकी सारी चीजें करी तो आई लर्न अ लॉट तो दैट इज वन थिंग आई वुड ऐड इफ यू फाइंड अ गुड रिसोर्स उसे निचोड़ दो पूरा लाइक you should be able to explain it as the second best person in some cases the first best जिसने बनाया आप उससे भी अच्छा समझा सको that is the only thing that is going to matter it does not matter आप 1000 बुक्स पढ़ लो आपने implement 10 भी नहीं करी